Question number 101. A resource can be said to belong to one and only one resource group. What does a resource group belong to? Option A, Management Group. Option B, Microsoft Intra ID. Option C, Other resource groups. Option D, Subscription. The correct answer is option D, Subscription. A resource group in Azure belongs to one and only one subscription. All resources within a resource group are managed under the same subscription, which determines billing, policies, and access control. Question number 102. A healthcare organization with a mix of sensitive patient data and non-sensitive administrative data would be best suited for which cloud model? Option A, Public Cloud. Option B, Hybrid Cloud. Option C, Private Cloud. Option D, Community Cloud. The correct answer is option B, Hybrid Cloud. A hybrid cloud is best suited for healthcare organizations with both sensitive patient data and non-sensitive administrative data. This model allows them to store and process sensitive data in a private cloud for enhanced security and compliance, while using the public cloud for less sensitive workload such as administrative tasks. This ensures flexibility, scalability, and regulatory compliance while optimizing cost. Question number 103. What is the primary difference between PaaS and IaaS? Option A, the scalability of the service. Option B, the cost of the service. Option C, the level of control over infrastructure. Option D, the security of the service. The correct answer is option C, the level of control over the infrastructure. The key difference between PaaS, Platform as a Service, and IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, is the level of control over the underlying infrastructure. With IaaS, users have full control over virtual machines, storage, and networking, meaning they must manage the operating system, software, and configurations themselves. In contrast, PaaS abstract much of the infrastructure management, handling operating system updates, runtime environments, and scaling automatically. This allows developers to focus on building and deploying applications without worrying about server maintenance or infrastructure setup. Question number 104. How does high availability in cloud computing minimize downtime? Option A, by limiting resource usage during peak times. Option B, by providing backup power systems. Option C, by reducing the cost of infrastructure. Option D, by automatically replicating resources across multiple regions or zones. The correct answer is option D, by automatically replicating resources across multiple regions or zones. High availability in cloud computing minimizes downtime by ensuring that resources are automatically replicated across multiple regions or availability zones. This redundancy allows systems to continue operating even if one server, data center, or region experiences a failure. By distributing workloads, the cloud ensures minimal service disruption and maintains reliability for users. Question number 105. Which of the following is the highest level of organization within the Azure hierarchy? Option A, Management Group. Option B, Subscription. Option C, Resource Group. Option D, Resource. The correct answer is Option A, Management Group. In the Azure hierarchy, a management group is the highest level of organization. It allows organization to group multiple subscriptions together for unified governance, policy enforcement, and access control. Subscriptions, resource group, and individual resources fall under this hierarchy, with resources being the lowest level. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 106. Which feature of Azure Virtual Machines allows you to choose which data center to physically deploy a VM to? Option A, Availability Sets. Option B, Region. Option C, Spot Instances. Option D, Availability Zones. The correct answer is Option D, Availability Zones. Availability Zones in Azure allows you to choose a specific data center within a region to deploy your virtual machines. Each region can have multiple availability zones, which are physically separated data centers that help improve high availability and fault tolerance by spreading VMS across different locations within the same region. Question number 107. Applying regular software patches to your cloud servers is an example of governance. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is Option A, true. Applying regular software patches to your cloud servers is an example of governance because it involves implementing policies and practices to ensure that systems are secure, up-to-date, and compliant with best practices and organizational standards. This is an important part of managing and governing IT resources. Question number 108. What type of scaling in cloud computing has practically no limit? Option A, scaling up. Option B, scaling out. The correct answer is Option B, scaling out. Scaling out, also known as horizontal scaling, involves adding more instances of resource such as additional virtual machines or containers to handle increased load. This type of scaling has practically no limit because you can keep adding more instances as needed depending on the demand and the available resources in the cloud environment. Question number 109. You intend to deploy your application to a virtual machine scale set, VMSS, and allows it to automatically scale your app to multiple VMS based on demand. How is traffic distributed to machine inside a VMSS pool? Option A. You must include an additional service such as load balancing or application gateway. Option B. Azure Virtual Machine Skillset service include load balancing. The correct answer is option B. Azure Virtual Machine Skillsets service include load balancing. When you deploy your application to an Azure Virtual Machine Skillset (VMSS), Azure automatically includes load balancing to distribute traffic across the instances within the skillset. This ensures that the traffic is evenly distributed to all the running VMS, helping to maintain performance and availability as the skillset automatically adjusts based on demand. Question number 110. Which phrase best describes the property of scalability? Option A. The ease of managing and maintaining a system. Option B. The ability to forecast and plan for system performance and resource needs. Option C. The ability of a system to remain operational and accessible for a high percentage of time. Option D. The ability of a system to handle increased workload by adding resources dynamically. The correct answer is option D. The ability of a system to handle increased workload by adding resources dynamically. Scalability refers to a system's ability to handle growing amount of work or accommodate increased demand by dynamically adding resources such as processing power, storage, or network capacity without compromising performance.